Brandy Davison here. I am one of the trio of Scrapstorian and online. We've got a blog, a Facebook, and Instagram account, me and my sister and our sister in scrapbooking. I also have the pleasure of being a design team member with the Wild Hair Kits hand-curated kit club for scrapbooking, and as well as with Scrapshots, an online scrapbook store based in Calgary, Canada, my home turf, even though I now live in Vancouver. And this month I am super excited, and the reason I'm here today, which you may have guessed by the massive amount of sequins in front of you, is I am guest designing with SpiegelMom Scraps, and I'm just so excited. When we were chatting online about the guest designing, and she, was asking me what colors I like to figure out which sequins that she wanted to send me. Of course, I was like, I like all the things sequins, and oh my goodness, did she provide. I'm not even joking. This is the haul that I got sent to play with this month with SpiegelMom Scraps, and I'm so excited. I discovered SpiegelMom Scraps through the Wild Hair Kits that I design with. They're every week, every month I check off to get a package of sequins with the kit that I received that month, and I just got more and more addicted and then started ordering directly from SpiegelMom Scraps more and more, and so I'm super excited to play with these collections. So I'll just walk you through them, and then over the course of the next month or so I will show you all the fun stuff that I create. So let's get going. I'll clear the deck here. One of the first ones I have is Peaches and Cream, and I'll just give everything a little shake. I love this one. I have SpiegelMom Scraps did the a wine glass cut file a number of months ago. I want to say 2 or 3 months ago, and I think I might use that, fill this up, and make a white sangria page with me and my bestie Lana in Portugal, where we discovered port white sangria. This one is just too cute. I'm going to try and get it right center. Can you see all the little stars? And look, those are actually little wee rainbows. And this is called Rainbow Bright. Love it, love it, love it. Carnival Ride is up next. This one is fabulous. There's some big pieces in here, which is always fun. And these little curly, like, what do you want to call it? Rosette-y kind of looking ones. They actually have a curve to them, so they give really good dimension to the page. So love that one. The lime green in there is just fabulous. Sunflower Flight. Give this one a shake for you because it's just so great. So there's some clear butterflies, some holographic kind of butterflies, and some solid ones, and then lots of stars, and then these little wood ones right here, which I can think of about a million things to do with. Speaking of which, Into the Woods. So this is all those wood looking ones with a bit of gold and brown in there, and I love them. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to do this. I have so many like great hiking photos and stuff. This one is called Walk in the Park, and to be honest, is my first or second favorite of all the ones that I was sent. I absolutely love it. There's a theme here, right? I love the ones with the wood in it, and I have this black and white picture of me kind of jumping on a hike, and I'm thinking this will go perfect with that. So that will probably be one of the first pages I put up, if it works out, but I think it will. Hexafrost is another great one. Love it. This has the little octagon silver ones that are just the outline. I love it. I got some of these little guys in another collection, like another sequin pack, months ago, and I pulled them all out and kind of made a bit of a grid on a page. Oh, so much fun. Ride the Tide. How great is this? Look at the seashells that are in there. I'm thinking waves across the bottom of a page and some beachy photos. We will see. We will see. Inspired. Moon Rising, love this. Again, hello, wood grain. And the grays in there are just fabulous. Some really big sequins. And hopefully I can shake it enough and you can kind of see there is like a little moon in there. Are you kidding? Come on. And a little black and white. Like, how pretty is this? And then again, these little rosette-y ones that have that bit of curve to them. Just, oh, looks so good on a page. I also got Hannah's Pasture. Love this. Look at the yellows and the flowers and the green and the just that touch of blue. Like, come on. Could that be any cuter? I got to think of what to do with that one, but that's going to be good stuff. Okay, this is my, maybe this is my first or second, third favorite. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Earthy Treasure. This one I just love. Again, no surprise, the little wood grains. I love these little kind of blue petally sort of looking ones. And then these little wooden hearts. Sorry, I'm off the page there. These little wooden hearts actually say love on them. Are you kidding? Like, how cute is that? I can't wait. I can't wait. This Summer Feeling, That Summer Feeling, sorry, there's another good one. So little baby hearts in there. Can you see it? These little rosette-y thingy guys again. Yellows, blues, some of these got that kind of glitter look to them. Super fun. And the multiple of sizes is always a great idea. Okay. Firecracker, check this out. How great is that? How many people probably use that in the States for their 4th of July celebration pages? Because that is perfection right there. So some stars in there, these bigger stars that are, again, like a little bit harder and a bit of curve to them. Some red ones, teal, blue, just gorgeous. That is Firecracker. Okay, and then the other thing that Jody does at SpiegelMom Scraps is there's a pre-order every month. And so this month there is 6 in the August pre-order, and I have the pleasure of getting to play with 6 of them. I'm so excited. So these ones are so fun. Big, Big Bling, these are called. How great is that? Like, I see mermaid tail. I like, right? Oh, sorry, I hit the camera there. You can tell I'm excited. Yeah, I just love these. They're huge. This is my month to start sewing on projects, and I think, because I see like, oh, so many of the sparklers that are on the SpiegelMom Scraps design team are guesting or sewing their sequins, and that feels so intimidating because they're small, but I think I could start with these. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Gumdrops, check out this one. How whimsical is this? Hey, I love it. The big ones in there. There's tiny little flowers of different colors, like just so great. And then of course, anytime you throw those holographic ones in there, you have me. That's fabulous. Vintage Dowry. Oh, look at this. Could that be any prettier? Like, seriously, like that. Oh, the holographic look of it. I love the big one in there. That touch of blue and yellow that just makes the pink and the purple pop. Like, just a great combo. I'm really excited about that one. Ooh, maybe that's a better one for my port. Anyway, a lovely day. Another great one. So this is again the August stuff, and you can see in here, I'll give it a bit more of a shake. The little gold and green metallic leaves in there, little heart or little flowers, and I love the ones with the swirly dew on them. What a great combo that is, hey? And just the pops of the teal in there, just like, oh, make that yellow and peach stand out. Love it. And then the other one that's in pre-order is called Holiday Magic, but I'll be completely honest, I accidentally created a page before I did my unboxing because I was really, really excited last night. So this was full and it was gorgeous, and I will share quickly because I meant to make this like my first page. I accidentally did this last night, so hopefully it's far enough away that you can see. And I just used all the sequins in lines here to create sort of a pattern paper for myself. This is my horrible hair after a full day of hiking like 26 kilometers, and I was laughing at myself, but I loved that the blues in this were the same as the blue in my hair when I was on this trip, so could not resist. So this was full of these. So that is what Holiday Magic looks like. So that's me. I'm really excited to get started, or to keep playing. Obviously I already started, to keep playing and sharing what I've got on my Instagram and my blog, as well as to pop that over to the team over at SpiegelMom Scraps to see how they might want to share it too. So links below to all the good stuff, of course, and hope you guys are having a great August.